M-A-T-H. What's that spell? Math! Welcome to another fun day of math with Miss Allen. Today is the very last day of math this week. We have been learning all about clocks, the different parts of the clock, how to tell time to the hour and to the half hour. I know that you are becoming a pro at reading your clocks and telling the time. So today it's going to be a really quick lesson because I just want to be able to give you enough time to finish your workbook page and your Seesaw activity to show your teachers that you really, truly understand how to tell time. So today what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be using this fun interactive clock is what we call it. Let's see if I can scroll down and get it in the middle of our screen. There we go. And I'm going to be turning around the hour hand and the minute hand. And I want you to be saying out loud what time the clock is showing. So we're going to start with this time right here. Pay attention to that red hand and the minute hand. What time is this clock showing? 6 o'clock. You got it. The hour hand is right on top of the 6, so we are in the 6 o'clock hour, and the minute hand is way up here at the 12. This notch right here means that there's 0 minutes in the hour so far. Remember, every single dot and notch counts for 1 minute, while the big notches with the big numbers count for the hour. So there's 0 minutes so far in the hour, and there's been 6 hours, so it's 6 o'clock. Got it. All right, let's try another one. I'm going to spin this around. Let's watch this clock go tick, 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 tick. What time is it now? Did you say 8 o'clock? Oh, we were close. It says 7:59. There it is. 8 o'clock. You got it. The hour hand is right on top of the 8. The minute hand is right on top of the 12, which means there's 0 minutes so far. Let's try another one. I'm going to trick you this time. What time is this clock showing? Really think in your brain, pay close attention to that hour hand. What hour are we in? We are in the 3 o'clock hour because if we go back in time, we're going backwards now. It was just 3 o'clock. And then that minute hand is going to go around and around and around. Remember, the minute hand goes by a lot faster. So we started at the 3. Oh, and there we are. Has our hour hand yet gone to the 4? No. So that's a really good cue that we're still in the 3 o'clock hour. So it's 3. And 30 minutes have gone by, so it's 3:30. Let's double check our work. Woohoo! We got it. Let's try 2 more all together. Ready? What time is this clock showing? Let's double check your answer. Did you say 1 o'clock? If you did, congratulations, you got her otter. All right, last one we're going to try together. What time is this clock showing? What do you think? Let's double check your answer. Are you ready? Did you say 11:30? I sure hope you did. Just like what we were talking about earlier, we are in the 11 o'clock hour because we've already gone past the 11 with our hour hand, but we haven't yet reached the 12. So we're in the 11 o'clock hour right here, and 30 minutes have gone by. So it's 11:30. Rock stars. You guys are getting really great at this. Today, I want you to show your learning on your math workbook page and your Seesaw activity. For your workbook page, I want you to really carefully write your first and last name way up here at the top. Next, you are going to use an erasable pencil. Don't use a marker. Don't use a crayon because I can almost guarantee you will make a goof sometime and you will need to erase it. So use an erasable pencil only. And you are going to be drawing in the times. This is going to be tricky, friends, because remember, the hour hand is never right on the number. It's always right in between. So if I go ahead and I peek at this first one, this says 7:30. I'm going to start by writing my hour hand. So I'm going to first find the 7. It's right here. But if it's half past the hour, which means it's 7:30, is my hour hand going to be pointing straight at the 7? No, it's going to be halfway between the 7 and the 8. So I'm going to really carefully try my best to draw my hour hand pointing right in between the 7 and the 8 because it's 30 minutes past the hour. Next, I'm going to draw my minute hand. I know that it's at the 30, which means it's all the way down at the 6 because 30 minutes have gone by. Cool. Like I said, take your time. Be really careful with your erasable pencil. Let's try this one together too. 6:30. I'm going to start with the hour. I'm going to find the 6 o'clock hour, which I know is way down here at the bottom. But if it's 6:30, is the hour hand pointing straight at the 6? No, it should be just a little bit to the side, about halfway between the 6 and the 7. I tried my best. And then for the 30 minutes, we know that that minute hand should be pointing straight down at the 6. Oh, I just made a goof. Exactly what I knew I was going to do, make a goof. That's why I use my erasable pencil. I'm going to go back and try again. I'm going to make my hour hand again. And I forgot to make my minute hand super long. So I'm going to go ahead and make my minute hand long to show that it's definitely the minute hand. There we go. We're going to try one more together, and then I want you to try the last 3 yourself. Let's try to draw 8:30 together. I first am going to find the hour, which we are in the 8 o'clock hour. 8 is right here, but remember, it shouldn't be pointing right at the 8. It should be about halfway between the hour and the next hour. So here we go. There it is. My 8 o'clock hour hand is pointing inside of the 8 o'clock hour, but it's not straight at the 8. And then for 30 minutes, we know that it goes straight down towards the 6. Oh, I'm not going to forget that my minute hand is super long. There we go. And that is how 8:30 should look on a clock. I want you to try 12:30, 1:30, and 4:30 all by yourself. When you are all done, please send a picture to your teacher so we can double check that you really understand how to read and draw clocks to the half an hour. Amazing job this week. I had so much fun with you, and I will see you again soon. Keep up the incredible work.